Hey guys, welcome to another Power to Weight training session. Today we are once again working on the core. I hope the title wasn't too clickbaity, neither was the thumbnail for that matter, but it's the truth. 4 minutes, 400 calories, however, a day, every day, for a month, 2, 5, 6 months, maybe a year, who knows, it depends where you're starting from, and you will get that six-pack. It's as simple as that. It's a very, very simple equation. Why 400 calories? I believe 400 calories a day, maybe 500, but 400 calories a day is a good, sustainable, easy to maintain weight loss. It's about 3/4 of a pound or so a week, so it's not too bad. How do you know where to subtract that 400 calories from? You have to figure out the baseline of your maintenance calories actually. What is that? Well, you can go to an app, you can use MyFitnessPal or any other app that's out there. And those are pretty accurate, but if you really want to know how it's individual to you, basically weigh yourself, eat like you normally do. If you're gaining weight, cut off some calories. Of course, record everything. If you're still gaining weight, cut off some more. Once you get to a point where you are neither losing weight or gaining weight, that's your baseline. From there, you subtract your 400 calories. From there, you start doing your workouts. You will gain muscle, and you will get leaner and thinner. There's just no other way about it. So that's what we're gonna do. Today we're gonna do lower abs. Most of our fat is around our bellies, even though on the lower side of our bellies, even though we cannot spot reduce anything, it's still nice to work them because generally that's where we start seeing the least amount of results. And even if you do start developing a six-pack, it starts on the top and it gets less and less the lower you get. So I believe we should hit those first because that kind of, once you hit the lower abs, everything else kind of takes care of itself. So join me on the mat behind me right after this intro. Let's get this done. It's going to be 6 exercises, very simple ones, 20 repetitions each, done fairly slowly because we are trying to build muscle. We're not just trying to hustle through these things quickly and do 4,000 repetitions. We're going nice and slow in controlled motion as always. So once again, before we get started, however, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, join me on the mat behind me. I'm going to be struggling through this one with you, and let's go have some fun. Alright guys, welcome back to the mat. The trick today is that we are going to do these exercises fairly slowly. We are trying to build muscle, we're not trying to lose fat. We lose fat by eating less, not by exercising more. So we're trying to actually have a visible six-pack. After we lose the fat around our stomachs, you need to see a six-pack. In order to have one, you have to build muscle. So these are going to be done fairly slowly. I'm going to go for 20 repetitions each and about 5 or 6 seconds rest between the exercises. Follow my pace. That's the key here, all right? We don't want to just knock these out. We want to follow a good, steady pace. So anyway, let's get going. First time is going to be leg raises, but I'm going to try to keep my arms as much up straight up into the air as I can. So ready? And let's go. Find your balance. Find your balance. Arms up and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Control. 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. 8, 9. Struggle with me. 10. Halfway. Straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. Let's go. 1, up, 2, 3. Notice my heels never touch the ground. And 4. All right, shake it out. We're going. These are all repetitive exercises, I understand, but we are going for the Russian twist right now. Once again, under control. Ready? Legs up in the air. Find your balance. 1, 2, 3. Keep it under control. 4. Heels off the ground. 5, 6, 7, 8. Control. 9. Perfect. Halfway. 1 and 2. 3. Fight those heels. 4, 5. Don't let them touch the ground. Fight it. 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 9 and last 1. And 10. Alright, shake it up for 1 second. We're going through the bicycle. Same thing. Find your balance. Under control. Ready? Hands up in the air. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it up. 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't let those heels touch the ground. 10. Fight it. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1 and 2. Shake it out. All right, I'm going to do side raises right now. I'm going to be on my knees. As you guys might know, I hurt my knee and I cannot balance myself on my foot. So I'm going to do the best that I can right here. And we're going for 20. Ready? 1, 2, 2. Squeeze it. 3. Slow. 4. Look at that time under tension, right? 5. Keep it up. 7. 8. Nice. 9. Halfway. You have 10 left. There's only 9. Squeeze it. Let it hurt. 4. 5. Keep it up. 6. 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Now we're going to, I believe Tony Horton from P90X calls this crunchy frog. Anyway, let's get going. Keep together, up in the air, and extend and squeeze. 1, extend nice and slow, squeeze. 2, out, and 3. Balance. 4. By balancing yourself, you're working on your core. 6. Don't hit the ground. 7. 8. The stronger your core, the more upright you're going to be able to sit. You don't have to do this. You can just stay right here. 9. And 10. We're halfway. 1, 2, control. 3, shake with me, come on. 4, 5. If you're creaking, those are my knees. 6, 4, keep it up. 3, feet off the ground. 2, and last one, fold it, and 1. Alright, now we're doing the other side. Whatever side you were on before, guess what? Switch. Once again, with me on my knees to keep consistent. Ready? And say 1. Stay in one straight line. 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 5. Keep it up. 6. Keep it up. 7. Squeeze. Squeeze up. And we're halfway. Keep up lifting, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, and 1. All right, guys, well, that was our short little ab workout, but as I said before, it's not the workout so much, it's the 400 calorie daily deficit. That's what we're shooting for. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'm really trying to help you out. If you want to get a hold of me, I will leave my email, my personal email down in the link below. Email me with questions, fire away. I've been working and coaching for about a decade now. I'm not very good at doing some of these exercises, but I do understand the science behind it, and I'm here to help you guys out. So once again, comment below, subscribe if you haven't already done so, leave a like, leave a thumbs up, let me know what else you want to see. Remember, 4 minutes a day and 400 calories to a six-pack times 6 months maybe. I don't know, it's been a decade for me, I still can't quite see it all the time. There are good days and there are bad days. Hope you guys had fun. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys later.